Welcome back to another episode of DreeandGhost. And what's up? Today's episode is going to be about my day one of babysitting. So I will be taking care of my aunt's bully mix for the next maybe 2 weeks. So I'm going to be vlogging him and Ghost's reaction. And today was grooming day. So you'll see in the video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are not new, welcome back, Ghost Gang. For all the new people out there, make sure you click that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification button so you never miss a beat. And for the rest of you guys, welcome back. So I want to start the video out by saying that they got in pretty late last night, so I didn't get much content, but I am going to show like their interaction right through the door. I am going to put it right here. And this is pretty much how they were when they first seen each other, and they were so freaking excited. Like, I couldn't get, and they're both kind of hurt. I don't know if you guys seen my last couple shorts, but Rachi, which is the bully mix, he had a leg injury on his right leg, the same exact leg as Ghost. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So they're both kind of hurt right now, and they were just so excited that they didn't even care about the pain. Crazy. But anyways, I'm going to enter the clip of them last night. This is pretty much how they were last night. I did have the camera on them so we can watch them throughout the night because they got in pretty late, probably like around midnight, and I didn't get a chance to interact with them too much. But I'm going to start the video out with how I was waking up with them, and then just pretty much how the day went. So just keep watching. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, I'm coming. That is the biggest ghost. Rachi, move. Move. I'm gonna have to break you in. Oh. Hi. Ghost, stop getting jealous. Ghost. Ghost, stop getting jealous. Look at him. Ghost is so annoyed with him. He's in Ghost's cage instead of his own. Ghost like, when is he going home, bro? He just got here, Ghost. He just got here. Rachi is learning. He's still being trained. So I put a correction collar on him. I have it on the vibrate setting. But the vibrating said he wasn't messing with him until I zapped him one time. And I only zapped him on like 30%. And he ate it like it was nothing. So I pushed it to 50%. I zapped him one time on 50%. And that's it. And I switched it back over to vibrate. Now look at him. A well-behaved model citizen. This was finna be him. Always in jail. But now he gets to be out on bail. With his neck monitor. Ankle monitor, neck monitor. Ghost, what did I just say? Ghost, get up and get in the bed. Get in the bed. You can't be hot. It's laying on the hard parts of the floor. Lay down in your bed. Thank you. I know you don't like to be. I know he got your cage, even though his cage is right here. I know. But you got late in the bed. Now look at you, Rachi. You done reformed. Ghost used to have to wear that too, so he know what it means. He know what it means to be reformed. He did not like that zap. Look at how he stopped panting. When I started laughing, he was like, hold on, wait a minute. What you find funny? Everything. Look at you. Now you have to get the reform treatment too. But yeah, I'm going to give you guys updates. It's right now, it's like, let me see what time it is. Because I went to sleep at midnight. Now it is 5:50 a.m. I have to come down here and check on them. So I only got about 4 hours of sleep, which is fine. I mean, as long as... today's my off day from the gym anyways. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. Yo, so why don't you let me sleep? Huh? Okay. It's now like 6:30 in the morning. I took a little small, like 15-minute nap on the couch. Why is he right here? Look at Rachi. Ever since I put that collar on him, he been a reformed pup. Yeah, I'm running on 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Hi, the big ghost. You don't eat until 8. This guy. You don't eat until 8, big ghost. And why are you all in my personal space? We talked about this. We talked about this. You don't have to be in my face. I see you. Everybody can see you. We all can see you. Thank you. Got tears falling out, cracking my eyes. I'm about to just make me a coffee. But yeah, I'm gonna fix some breakfast in a little bit. I gotta get his full eating schedule for Rachi, but right now Ghost is 8 and 8, so he's still got like an hour and a half until he eats. Well, he's 8:30, my bad, not 8 and 8, but still it's around the same. And Rachi's over there like, ugh. He tired himself. He was trying to take that leash, the correction collar off his neck. He was rolling around fighting, trying to get that thing off, and he tired himself out. Good. He gonna learn today. But yeah, let me get up and make myself a coffee. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. These are Ghost's food. I am doing he does a log a day. Which is, these are 2-pound logs. So he does a log a day. So in the morning we do half a log and a cup of kibble. And then we mix his medicine, and then the other part he does the other half. So he eats a pound of dog food. 2 pounds of dog food a day. Jesus. Get it together, Dree. And it actually has 2 pounds on the thing. You can see it right here. 2 pounds. So he eats 2 pounds a day, and then he eats the kibble. He also has some, what is it called? Duck wings. And he has beef knuckles in there too. They're right there. But right now, I'm just going to take out 1 log. And I have this little collapsible sink I put it in. It's already got the water in there. And let it break it down. So it'll be ready by the time he eats. And this is for today, so yeah. This is not a playground. Supposed to be off from the gym, but I'm up. Might as well do something. Listen, y'all need to figure it out. I can't use me. Not over here. That's him. That's he's the biggest. That's him. That's the biggest. That's right. You're the best. You're the best. Rocky, move. No. You're the best. You're close. Listen, you don't listen, you don't get praise. Rachi, you don't listen, you don't get praise. No. You come lay down and then you can get praise. You only get praise when you listen. Ghost knows, because he's the biggest. He's the biggest. There you go. Lay down, Rachi. Lay down. Lay down. That's a good boy. Now you both get the bug. There you go. You guys both get babies. Both the babies. Go stop being jealous. Stop being jealous. Look at. You're something else. You're something else. Stop being jealous. Ghost is like, dang, I gotta share everything.
I may need him here for 2 weeks straight because I gotta go to my whatchamacallit thing on the 29th.
Okay.
And I'll just come and get him the following Wednesday.
No running, Ghost. Hey, come on. There they go. No. No playing. Come on. Come. Come on. Inside. Let's go. Come on, inside, Ghost. Come. Why are you playing with me? You play all day. Come, Ghost. Come on. All right, bye. No. No. See, Rachi, listen, you're such a good boy, Rachi. You're such a good boy. Did Ghost listen? No. No. You're such a good boy, Rachi. You're such a good boy. How you crying? You didn't listen. That's a good boy. You gonna listen, Ghost? Look at Rachi trying to get some more love. You gonna listen, Ghost? Better stop acting like that. Next time I say come inside, come inside. Come on. Hey. When I say come, that means come inside, boy. Now, both of y'all go lay down. Go.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Oh no, baby, talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight, then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah, something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. Trust what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me.
asleep, as you guys can see. Where they were asleep. Now they're up. Come here, Big Ghost. He knows the camera's over. So he wants to be in the camera. Hi, Big Ghost. Hi, Big Ghost. But yeah, that's pretty much it for our video. Like I said, I will be trying to film every single day. It's the biggest boy. It's the biggest boy. You guys tune in right now. Ghost's surgery is supposed to be scheduled for February 13th. So we got a month. Why you put your butt on me? Why you put your butt on me? That's the biggest Ghost. That's the biggest. So please just keep rocking with us. I'm going to keep you guys posted on all the information that we receive. I'm going to make sure you guys receive. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, huh, Big Ghost? Is that it? Is that it for the video? Thank you guys so much for watching. And we're out.